In this Python Django tutorial, we will learn what a layout is. When navigating between pages on a website, you may notice that some elements remain unchanged. For example, when I switch from the home page to the about page, the black bar at the top doesn't change. Similarly, the copyright section at the bottom stays the same. The only part that changes is the main content in the middle. The best way to achieve this is by using a layout. In this video, I will show you how to set this up step by step. I have uploaded the full project code to my Github account. You can find the Github link in the description of this video. We will build this project together from scratch with some help from ChatGPT. In the main project, I will create templates and main folders. Inside the main folders, I will add 3 HTML files: layout, home, and about. Let's copy the layout code into layout.html. You can also find this code on my GitHub via the link in the video description. The layout.html file includes some code, but certain parts are defined as blocks. For example, the title section is coded as a block. Similarly, the content section is also a block. This means I can use layout.html for all pages. At the same time, I can customize the block sections for each page. How do we do this? Let's see. I will start by copying the home.html code. First, I include the layout.html code using the extends command. As I explained earlier, the block sections in layout.html can be customized. For example, when home.html is called, I want the title to display home. Let's check where the title block is used in layout.html. Next, I define the content for home.html. I want the content to include a header and a paragraph. Let's see where the content block is located in layout.html. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Now I will move on to about.html. The structure of about.html is the same as home.html. I have just customized the block sections for the about page. Let me quickly show you how these blocks correspond to different parts of the layout. Next, I copy the views.py code. In earlier lessons, we learned what functions in views.py do. Finally, I copy the urls.py code. When the root URL is requested, the home function will be called. The home function will load the home.html page. Similarly, when the /about URL is requested, the about function will be called. The about function will load about.html page. Let's test the application now. everything is working as expected. I encourage you to check out my other Python Django tutorials as well.